Now I know what you're thinking. You have a Christmas party coming up and either you have to make a dessert or an appetizer. Well, today I'm going to show you a few tricks that will knock your guests' socks off. Let's start with buffalo chicken dip. It's amazing. Start by cutting up 1 pound of chicken into bite-sized pieces. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan set on medium-high heat. Add the chicken. Cook until chicken turns white on the outsides. Then add 3/4 cup of buffalo wing sauce. Stir and let simmer for about 5 minutes. Add in 2 softened bricks of cream cheese and 1 cup of ranch dressing. Stir and let simmer for 5 more minutes. Add 1 cup of cheese and stir again. Transfer the contents into a slow cooker, set on low heat. Top with 1 cup of cheese. Serve directly out of the slow cooker with celery and baguette bread. Now let's talk about ham and cheese. Cut up a baguette bread and place on a cookie sheet. Mix together a 1/2 cup of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of chopped ham, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 1 teaspoon of garlic pepper. And mix well. Place about 1 tablespoon of the mixture on each piece of bread, then top it with Parmesan cheese. Place it in a 400-degree oven for 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese starts to melt. So good. We can't forget the dessert, peppermint buttercream chocolate cookies. Whisk together 1 3/4 cup of flour, a 1/2 cup of cocoa, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and set it aside. Cream together 3/4 of a cup of butter and a cup of sugar until it's smooth. Add in 1 egg. Once mixed, add in the flour mixture and mix well. Place the cookie dough in the fridge for 1 hour. Once cooled, scoop out dough with a tablespoon and roll it into smooth balls. Flatten each ball. The edges will crack. Place on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Place in a 350-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Let the cookies cool on the cookie sheet for about 5 minutes. Now for the filling. Combine a 1 pound bag of powdered sugar with a 1/2 cup of milk, just a pinch of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of mint or peppermint extract. Mix until smooth. Add in 2 sticks of butter, 1 slice at a time. Add a 1/2 cup of shortening and mix on high. Add in a few drops of food coloring. Mix on high for 10 to 12 minutes until volume doubles. Place a generous amount of filling on 1 cookie and top it with another. Roll the edges in crushed candy cane. It's absolutely divine. To find this recipe, go to Recipe Box.